In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Excel sheet from WPS Office Mobile. Welcome, and thank you for joining this tutorial. If you need to create a spreadsheet on your phone for work, school, or personal tracking, WPS Office offers a simple and reliable way to get it done anytime and anywhere. In this video, I will guide you through the complete process of creating and saving an Excel-style sheet using the WPS Office mobile app. To begin, open the WPS Office app on your mobile device and give it a moment to fully load the home screen. Once the app is ready, tap the Create option, which is where you can start building new files. After tapping Create, you will see several file type options. Select the XLS option to begin working with spreadsheets. WPS Office will then display a collection of spreadsheet templates that are designed for common tasks like budgets, schedules, and data tracking. These templates are helpful if you want a structured layout right away and prefer not to start from scratch. If you want full control over your spreadsheet, choose a blank sheet instead. This option works just like a traditional Excel file, allowing you to customize the layout and content exactly the way you want. Once your spreadsheet opens, you can immediately start entering data into the cells. You can type text or numbers, adjust font styles and sizes, and apply colors to make your information easier to read. WPS Office also lets you merge cells, which is useful for creating titles, headers, or organized sections within your sheet. If your spreadsheet needs calculations, you can add formulas just like you would in Microsoft Excel. WPS Office supports common formulas and basic functions, making it useful for tracking expenses, managing lists, or organizing numerical data. As you work, take some time to explore the tools available within the app. These tools can help you format your spreadsheet more effectively and improve how your data is presented. When you are finished creating or editing your Excel sheet, tap the Save icon at the top of the screen. You will then be prompted to rename the file, so choose a clear and recognizable name. After that, select where you want to save the file, whether on your device or in a preferred storage location. Once everything is set, tap Save, and your Excel sheet will be stored and ready to use whenever you need it. That's all it takes to create an Excel sheet using WPS Office on mobile. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.